the cost implications, and in a generator or any other source of power. Hello, welcome. My name is Abraham Audu from Perivo Energy Systems. This is the introductory session of the basic knowledge series for batteries, solar panels, and inverters. Okay, so what's this all about? We just want to do something basic here. What we want to achieve is to give you a basic run through of all the types of batteries, solar panels, and inverters that are available in the market, to avoid confusion. You know, we've heard of cases where someone bought an inverter and after 6 months the battery is dead, and then you hear of another case where someone buys an inverter system and then it lasts up to 5 years and the person is wondering, wow, I think I must have been lucky. This series is just to break it out that it's really not luck. There is a science to it. There are different classes of batteries, solar panels, and inverters in the market that can be made to fit into your budget, right? Most times installers go for the low budget versions for two major reasons. One, pressure from the customers or the clients to make them reduce the prices to very low price points, and two, because, well, humans, some people just want to get away with your money. So basically I'll be running through the types of batteries we have, the cost implications, and the benefits of the different types of batteries, and then we'll do the same for solar panels and the same for inverters, right? So I hope that you enjoyed this series. The aim is for it to be informative and to help you make the decision to go from using a generator or any other source of power to using an inverter system because of the massive economic benefits of going green. Thank you.